Hello, short update of, let's call it stage B and C. Why I call it like that I don't know, but it should be B and C. So everything was in a videos, but just to summarize and show a few things which was not on previous videos. Let's say like this corners. No, the original, of course it will be some fiddling here, but because this original, not one factory plastics, to tell the truth, cost something like sick money. It's a sick money, 70 quid for such a plastic. I decide this one, and bottom one next 30 or something quid for bass version. So I decide to do something. I spent 3 hours on both. Anyway, so let's say on cap area what's left, fight with this plastic. It will be like extended with some knocking edging, something like that. I am not pretty sure how to do it, but the rest we can connect wires and let's say it's finished. It's never finished because after a few minutes I found next idea and a few things to do. I'm in a process here, I'm in a process to working over windows around. Bathroom, let's say, is it's not ready, but it's nearly ready. It means we can start install the things. When I finish underneath, I can start drilling the floor for like a waste outlet, etc., running pipes, etc. So of course few like trims or something like that, and finally fix it. But let's say all like main parts are done and ready to fit, so it's a good progress. Here's a mess. I know this is just call it straight mess. Here also we have everything is ready to start slowly fitting preparing the drawers, but I don't want to do it right now because what stops me, some pipes and some wiring, because some drawers have to be shallow, not to the end. So but it's, let's say, ready as a unit, as a carcass, and right now we can start thinking about fitting the drawer. So it means like again wiring and piping. Okay, so like that. On the back nothing changed. First of all I have to start like a welding frame for bed, but problem is, so if I fit the frame I lost the possibility of carry longer pieces of plywood. So it means I have to pay somebody to deliver me like 2 sheets of ply or something like that. So I try to solve this problem. It's unsolvable, but it's looks like that. So finally I found the water tanks, water and waste tanks. It fits, not easy to tell the truth, but it fits. One of them have to be bit angled because it's bit too. No problem always with tanks is like it's too deep, so you like a clearance is too small, or they cheat you on a commercial. They claim so tank have 75 liters, but when you calculate from the dimensions it's only 67. So I don't know. Yeah. But anyway, this is like a summary of stage B and C, and to tell the truth, even not this stage C is fulfill like to the end, but okay, I have modified some like tasks. Because like with this frame, if I don't think about it earlier, so if I fit this frame, I can't fit like a full sheet of ply, so what I have to chop it, this ply, you know, somewhere in a warehouse, somebody's warehouse, I don't know how to do it. So I will try it. Okay, and of course it's a mess. I don't know how many times a week I can like try to organize this stuff. After 2 days looks same.